Shout out to the Lord and Savior Yeshua. Let's talk about this shit. Let's talk about the welding job that you did on this bike. Look at it. Look at the welding job, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to post it on the internet so everybody can see how you be fucking with my shit. Right? Look at the demonic shit. So here's the thing. This doesn't belong here. This is a different piece of metal. The welding sucks. So whoever did the welding on this, you're trash. You see what I'm saying? You're garbage. You can't do shit right. You can't you can't match the paint. You can't match the metal. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. You suck. Take a look at it again, because it's going to go right on the internet. Yeah, look at this shit. Fuck, I give a fuck about that. The fuck? I'll go ask Boston about it. See what Boston has to say. Yeah. Because there's a discoloration. That metal is not metal that was there before. So something was done to the bike. Yeah? And if I got to turn it over to the fucking FBI so they can take it apart and look at it, I don't give a fuck. You bitch ass niggas. Straight up, I'm gonna go to his house right now, and I'm gonna say, yo, Boston, what's up with that welding piece right there? Watch, I promise you, I'm gonna head over there right now. You know what I mean? Replace this. Replace this. You know what I mean? What you think? I'm some type of idiot, like I wasn't gonna notice it? Replace the tires. It's okay. It's okay. Because I'm a squeeze till you can't take it no more. I'm finna bring that tension. Yeah? You straight trash. You know what I mean? You'll always be trash to me. Yeah. Now, go run and tell your masters. Go tell the people that you work for, you bitch ass niggas. Yo, bitch ass nigga right there. Go tell your fucking masters. You know what I mean? Exactly what I said. You know what I mean? You bitch ass niggas. You ain't shit. You a bunch of cowards with no dick. And bitches with sagging, wrinkled nipples. Fuck you. Fuck your mama. Fuck your pappy. You know what I mean? Fuck your inbred cousin. All that shit. You a bunch of fucking dysfunctional amphibians, frogs. You know what I mean?